Hello. Today I want to show you my geography games for the United States. So let's go to geography. Now I do have world also, but this video is just for the United States. So you got the picture of the state, you got to choose the name, and you've got the state name, you got to pick the state. So let's take a look at the first one. I'm going to choose one since I'm not great at this. I know I should know them all. All right. Okay. I have no idea. Is that Alabama? Oh, I'm right. That one I know is Tennessee. And as you notice, as I click each one correctly, the name disappears. So that way, it'll make it easier to choose as you go along. So this is Maine, okay? And the number of points you get depends upon the speed. I think this is Missouri. I'm not sure. Yes. Uh, South Carolina. Yes. Okay. And that's Pennsylvania. But let's say I choose one that's wrong. I'm going to lose 5 points, half of the what I would get for correct. So if the speed, right now the speed I chose is 1. So I only get 10 points for each one I got right. But I only lose 5 points for each one I got wrong. If I chose the speed of 5, then I would get 50 points for each one I got right, but 25 points for each one I got wrong. So this will let teachers know just how strong a person is in their geography. So instead of just one test fits all, she can say, hey, I want you to do this test with a speed of 5. And if you choose speed of 3, then you're going to lose points. If you choose a speed of 7, you're going to get bonus points. Okay, so let's go on to the other one. So you see a state name. So I'm going to choose 3. I'm not very good at this, but anyway. Okay, so now it's down to 26 seconds. I chose 2 seconds less each level you go up. Okay, Tennessee, well, that's here. I got it right, so I got 30 points. Maryland, yes, that's here. Georgia, I used to live there. I better know this one. Yes. Arizona, I'm not sure. Um, this one? No. This one? Yes. Texas, easy. Montana, I'm not sure. Maybe this one. Nope. So, um, I remember I got 5 correct, and I chose 3. So each one is going to be 30, so that's 150 minus 15 for getting that one wrong. Okay, so that's the way it works. Okay, so the main goal is to be able to differentiate between different students. Let's say a teacher gives a test, and let's say it's a 20-minute test. Maybe 10 of them got done. Let's say they all got it right. But maybe 4 of them got it done in 5 minutes. The rest got it done in 20 minutes. There is a big difference between the understanding of those that finished it in 5 minutes and the ones who did it in 20 minutes. So I do believe that this kind of testing will help teachers figure out how much a student knows rather than just do they know it or not. Just like in multiplication, can you do 12 times 9? Well, maybe. But can you do 12 times 9 instant, which is what you need to be able to do. So I have many of these games for them to choose, and I've even started doing the general knowledge. Right now I've only got music ready. So you can take a look at that. That's free for everybody just to have fun. Later on I'll have some competitions with it, but for now, just have fun. Okay. So again, until December 31st, I'm offering 50% off. So you can go to pricing here. Um, and you can choose monthly or yearly as a student, homeschool. But I would much prefer teachers get it. And very cheap price for schools. So if you know a school that might be interested, please let them know. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.